We review the best smoothie blenders to prepare smoothies, which are indispensable for healthy living, in the fastest and most delicious way. Which model offers the best performance with powerful motors, sharp blades, and innovative designs? We have examined all the details for you, from ice-crushing ability to quiet operations and portability. If you want to crown your breakfast with a healthy smoothie or prepare the perfect after-workout drink, this video is for you. Let's review the best smoothie blenders together. Number 5. Chefman Obliterator. Chefman Obliterator Smoothie Blender is the secret weapon of your kitchen. With its 1200-watt powerful motor, it smooths ice, hard fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Thanks to its 6 stainless steel blades, it easily shreds even the toughest ingredients. With 3 different speed settings and pulse mode, it is possible to prepare soft or ultra-dense smoothies. Triton BPA-free 1.5-liter large jug is ideal for large portions. It provides full control in the kitchen with its non-slip base and silent operation technology. Offering fast, powerful, and practical use, this blender is a great option for athletes, those who love healthy nutrition, and those who want practicality in the kitchen. Number 4. Vitamix Propel Series 750. Indispensable in your kitchen for those who want to make smoothies at a professional level. Its 2.2 horsepower motor makes even the hardest ingredients smooth in seconds. Its stainless steel blades effortlessly shred ice and fibrous vegetables, delivering ultra-creamy results. With 5 different program modes, you can prepare smoothies, soups, sauces, and more at the touch of a button. The 2-liter BPA-free Triton jug is ideal for large portions. With its self-cleaning function, it can be cleaned in just a few seconds, no more washing up. With its silent operation technology and durable structure, it gives excellent results both at home and in professional kitchens. The variable speed setting and pulse function help you to adjust the consistency of the mixture exactly as you want. Thanks to its more powerful motor and improved blade design, it offers a much superior performance than conventional blenders. With its stylish design and premium material quality, it adds both aesthetics and professionalism to your kitchen. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious. Breville the Fresh and Furious is a great option for those who want speed and efficiency in the kitchen. Powered by a 1,100-watt motor, it crushes ice and hard ingredients in seconds and prepares ultra-creamy drinks. The Kinetics blade system turns the ingredients from top to bottom, leaving no pieces. 5 speed settings and 3 pre-programmed modes suit your every need, from smoothies to crushing ice. Quiet blend technology works much quieter than conventional blenders, keeping peace in the kitchen. The 1.5-liter BPA-free Triton jug is perfect for preparing large portions. The LCD display shows the remaining time, allowing you to check everything. The self-cleaning mode cleans your blender in seconds with just water and a little soap. The stainless steel blades maintain their sharpness for a long time, offering the best performance with every use. The specially designed jug spout for smooth pouring helps you keep your kitchen clean. An ideal option for those who want a powerful, quiet, and practical blender. Number 2. Ninja BL770. Ninja BL770 is a powerful blender that does everything in the kitchen. Its 1,500-watt motor crushes even the hardest ingredients in seconds and crushes ice like snow. Total crushing blades make everything from smoothies to frozen desserts ultra smooth. The large 2-liter jug is perfect for preparing family-sized drinks. Thanks to its 4 different functions, it combines many functions such as mixing, kneading, chopping, and smoothie making. Thanks to the to-go cups, you can make your smoothie, close the lid, and leave. The dough kneading blade allows you to prepare pizza or cookie dough in seconds. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Its compact design offers maximum performance without taking up much space in the kitchen. A great option for those who want a powerful, versatile, and practical blender. Number 1. Vitamix Ascent X4. Vitamix Ascent X4 adds a professional touch to your kitchen with its powerful performance, smart technology, and stylish design. Its 2.2-watt motor smooths even the toughest ingredients in seconds. Self-detect technology automatically detects which container or bowl you are using and selects the most appropriate settings. Thanks to 5 different programmable modes, you can prepare recipes such as smoothies, soups, nut butters, and ice cream at the touch of a button. With the built-in timer, it's possible to get just the right consistency every time. The stainless steel blades are long-lasting and ultra-sharp, so they evenly chop the ingredients for the perfect consistency. The silent motor technology offers high power and does not fill your kitchen with noise. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can connect to the Vitamix app and control recipes and custom settings. The durable Triton jug provides safe and healthy use with its BPA-free structure, a professional blender experience for those who want to push the limits in the kitchen. Here we have reviewed the best smoothie blender models for you. Each offers different power, technology, and features. Which one is your favorite? Write in the comments and share it with us. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for new content.